Hi, welcome back once again. Good morning to all. In this video, I am trying to solve the 2026 board examination Tamil question paper section C. In this, we are solving only 7th and 8th questions. Section C, main course book, the 7th question. First question, option is B. And the second question, again the option is B. And the third question, the option is A. In the eighth question, first question answer is option A. And the second question answer is also A. And the third question is answer C. And the fourth question, the answer is B. And the fifth question is answer C. That's all in this video, dear children. Other questions I don't know. You should refer with your NCERT textbook, guides, or other teachers. Lot of students help us yesterday for correcting some errors. Thank you to all. Thank you once again. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12